The V8-powered Ram 1500 TRX is dead, but the new 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is now the brand's sportiest offering. The RHO is 8 inches wider than the standard 1500 thanks to its big, composite fender flares. The flares contain a 6-inch wider track, 18-inch beadlock wheels, and 35-inch tires. Ram gives the truck a unique hood and grille with a bigger flow-through badge, LED headlights, steel bumpers, oversized tow hooks, and skid plates complete the look. Underneath the massive wheel arches are Bilstein's Black Hawk E2 adaptive performance shocks, the same set Ram used on the TRX. The truck also has forged aluminum front, upper, and lower control arms, retuned spring rates, and active performance damping. The new RHO is powered by 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 Hurricane engine, producing 540 horsepower and 706 newton-meter of torque. It's a far cry from the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that developed 702 horsepower. The RHO now uses the TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission four-wheel drive, and it gets a Dana 60 rear axle with full floating axle shafts and a rear electronic locking differential. Speaking the interior, the RHO comes with up to 3 interior screens. A 12.3-inch display serves as the digital instrument cluster, while a 14.5-inch one is for the infotainment system that runs the 5th-generation Uconnect system. The 10.25 inches final screen sits in front of the passenger and features an HDMI plug for screen mirroring. Customers also have the choice of Napa leather or suede upholstery and can add carbon fiber trim and red upholstery accents. The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO will arrive at dealerships in the third quarter, and pricing starts at $69,995. That's significantly less than the old TRX, which began at $96,340.